Not yet.
It's not gonna pop
Up,
out.
up. There. Oh, up a bit. There. Now I'm good. I'm down. I'm in.
There. There. Look at that. Okay.
All right.
The bottom.
Side pieces.
This wasn't such a big deal.
It's no big deal. It's such a big deal.
You need to lube this up a bit more.
Yep.
You need to lube this up a bit more. In the inside. Yes, sir. Not the second. We did it in a little bit, Eric. We're at a very crucial point here. So thanks, Eric. Oh yeah, look at this. I'm gonna need it all the way down, I guess. Just need down far enough.
It's gonna go.
There you go. Good.
Yeah.
Now push it. Oh, just a second. It's not on the glass. Now put that screw back in.
Well, I don't think that's going to matter much. That really hasn't moved any back there. Just allowed it to come up a little. I think once you get the top in, that'll be more important.
There it goes.
What are you guys doing?
Good, good.
No, I don't see gasket on the top there.
Cut myself too. I cut myself. There's an injury.
You cut yourself?
Yeah.
Oh no.
There's no workers' comp.
Okay, get the top part of the frame there, mister. Everybody talk to you. Glass doesn't bend.
Glass
Does
bends.
too.
It has a huge flex.
Okay. Sustain.
So here, it's on this side.
We're tight as a tiger. Here, push on your frame there too. Don't let it pop.
Yeah, give me some lube in there.
Push.
The ivory lube.
He's not pushing.
The 21st century sex machine.
All right. Well, that's the end of this.
Did you
No,
hear that
it's
was his
not.
new nickname?
Yeah, I told her this morning. She seemed really happy about it.
Mm-hmm. He hasn't had a nickname in a while.
Delighted that
What do they
you
call
guys came up with that name for my son.
For my son. You gotta be proud, Mom.
Yeah, you should. That's a great name.
We got way
Put
too
it on
much
there.
over
Get it
here.
over top of the joint.
Oh, man. Oh.
Oh man. And then you got to go in between them.
We're good here.
Now push.
There.
Okay, now we gotta. There we go. Okay, pause.